Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and selecting the uploaded video you want a caption. Once done, choose subtitles, pick the spoken language, and click Add. You should have a transcript or rough notes ready. This speeds auto-sync and reduces errors. Make sure your video has finished processing because timestamps matter. Upload a plain text transcript or let YouTube auto-generate, then pick Edit or Auto-Sync depending on which gives you cleaner timing immediately. Now you refine timing and text. If you used Auto-Sync, review the aligned captions and focus on readability. Break lines so viewers can read comfortably, add punctuation, and label speakers where helpful. Use the timeline to nudge captions' start and end times by small increments. This solves overlap with quick dialogue. Play back short segments repeatedly and edit erroneous words directly in the editor. Make sure no caption exceeds 2 short phrases on screen at once to keep pace with the viewer. Finish by reviewing the full video with captions enabled, watching for timing drift and typos, then publish the subtitles. Once published, test on mobile and desktop and play at varied speeds to confirm readability and sync. If captions look consistently off, re-upload a corrected SRT or manually rebuild problematic sections in the editor. One key troubleshooting tip: when auto captions repeatedly mishear terms, replace those words in the transcript and resync, so accuracy improves across the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.